Karibu sana kaire muraithiri wa Meru TV na ngatho cha mwanya no tuba kuitana mbere na kurumira station ya Meru TV na jora nkuberite tukethura tukigwatanira na mugeni wetu ni wakili na tukethura tukiariria manto kathumba jigini no tongeria bwa nthiguru ya Kenya na kinya tongeria bwa county ya Meru na kinya ni mtu kumba kuthurwa itonithia cia sene na kuruira gitikia ubunge gishigo mbunge kia South Imenti ni mutongeria wije manto mono kethurwa akitwa matano na kuruki gutu igwithio brabu kuitana mbere na boria tuirigirite tugikinya kithurano kinene kia 2027 ito rita chinche ni kathure wa mburugu na ngakoromba witana mbere na kuturumira na kuruki umbe kuthroge tukinyira kire mitandao yo kinyaniria ira ni YouTube na kinya Facebook. Karibu sana mugeni wetu ndene ya Meru TV. Ngakuromba umbe kuthroge tegera kamera ya Meru TV okethe mutegeri wa Meru TV na kinya mukari wa South Imenti.
Thank you Kadhure, thank you Meru TV. Ntubako ngwatoge nitukwe narwa.
Okay.
Kanda tumba kwalia mantera tukomba kwalia. Giketha ya mutegeri wetu wa Meru TV. Kuma South Imenti na Raura na moka Meru yonde na Kenya mzima. Kibera oniri tora kwambita wa mukaria Muriungi. Wanja Wantumboi, Tumboi Wantuikabu, Wantuikabu wa Mabura.
Okay.
Gwetika tuketha tuina show njega. Kenda tumba kwariria mantera ya affect nteguro yetu.
Yeah.
Na tuejana our minds ka mindset yetu kana uge wetu kire mantera tukona ja kare kandi gurune yetu. Thank you so much not kwa compost naru.
Okay. Nande tukambira na mantera cha kuthithika nthiguru yetu ya Kenya recently ni kurari na ndiunga ya Rais Ruto rutererwa igembe borerure ugwa no kona ndiunga area of benefit kire akari kana antu ba Meru
Mbere president aliunga inwea ukwithara kwina kira twitaru hanging fruits.
Okay.
Ira chithithika anto president rirejete iri ejete rimwe niumba gufaindika nonto boto barabara tukathitha ngwa turathuki.
Yeah.
Tubi. So utiro tumba kuga kuriunga wa president utijana benefits. But umitegerete holistically kumalira arejere na manchera arariri naria. And ijo tutegera tuketha tu very disappointed.
Okay.
Kiethe aftermath ya visit here. Nonto no mwanga twethera tuikaribisha president nonto is the president of the whole country. Lakini andi rire ejere na ajo no ejambire ko make promises so ira atulite ko make for a very long time. Andi tukaigwa rimwe nya tukinoga na tukona jago twairi.
Okay.
Nonto nande akweja kaire na arambiriro promise manto janda kachere nithi.
Yeah.
Ndakachere nithi ami promise te ore ari na kaire deputy president na alika na kaire ami promise. Twategera kaire tuona inya leaders betu bonde na bagiukira na wala bakimwira Meru onde tutam uma MCAs monka MPs yani na twathikira ground no toni nkuthiuruka ground mono moso na Raura South Imenti na rankoromba gitekia mujumbe.
Yeah.
Ground utimutondera takibo no to ntambita na campaigns cha wantam ka tutam. Onbita na campaign cha kwendia manifesto yakwa kwendia mantera to kudithiria kadiba South Imenti. Na twibera what difference imwanya juu kutukethra twina juu twanenkero tongeri.
Okay.
Lakini thiuruka na aria okeja kuma rimwe mbita anya kara ya kugweta nyamanta juu ja wantam na tutam.
Yeah.
Kimara bambure ya ugware we wantam ka tutam. Kaboli babu burendate. Bakuga wantam. Nande ntikumenya tongeria betu bara bakwaire president ati Meru tutam bwibo bochiarire bongwa. Na president no ija na mantu jange nyawe jaguto promise ndakachere nithi.
Yeah.
Ira tura auto promise. Nande nyadre tukom welcome burura kini eja. Naja na tangible developments ira tukuona. Tedo na yadra gento kira gitu ko happen practically. Nande ugirem next week ni oturi dai. Ndikona yakwe marakta jare jana rora nithi. Now every time rela tukatura tukiaria mantu ja ugowe joko kwa next week. Wajaka roko kwa next week.
Lakini already na propose tembe already chitengi ugite 7 billion chikethro chige kwa cha kuthondeka nithi ndara cheu.
mbere ma unintegrate budget
Okay.
na ntira na mbechi uke budget so ntira chiona tiye getha chithi antu ntirona ka etherare akwenda kuthithia ndaga chenithi na ira twita PPP public private partnership kana something that is not in the budget lakini ke budget ira nkrokiri tente gwithikende kuona ndaga chenithi ekiri na ndaga chere nithi kira gutuma president rimwe nyakara ya kwa riorongo ino ntukwina processes ire ibati kwamba kuthithwa mbere kenda ndaga chambire gwako andi turona akariba na rore nya county commissioner agete nya kubalance misia boma miundene mbere bali bambeje chio kenda project ya mbiri you know nandi otegera mantu jaro kaligara mano because constitution yetu is very clear and article 40 constitution nyuga clearly everyone has a right to property na thirikari ni nyayo ina right to do compulsory acquisition riria mantira kwenda kuthithia miundere mantira ya kumbenefit mwingi jora bakwenda waka barabara era nare
ende benyi beria karipo baka compensated
no constitution yetu mera litwa promptly babati go compensate promptly na case law nyingi kama makesi jala mengi jeta court jeta non to aspect yewe kwethwa karibara bata compensate promptly nikituga niki constitution yetu itumera litwa promptly rira weja wera muntu ane otura ugwebera wimwereberete u ageta nambi ane okwawe niyo na niwe mwerebera otimunengerete alternative kana mbechi ira komba kuthama chieta narari you know kuyukuna rights chiawe cha kikatiba na so akaribara banaro abati kwamba kulewa mbecha chiao bali wa mbecha riu bakero webere kenda bomba kwithura maisha jao jata interacted mono nonto rira weru webere waku kinyethara nukurenkerwa mbecha igechithara china 15% ya disturbance ki market value locally wa plus 15% nonto maisha jaku either way uro menyeretie jagu change na no makodha ma yawe twambiri mugana bakatha machukuru na bina mantu yangi jamaingi so president ne drena uma nonto process iwe compulsory acquisition iteka length time nonto ejuka we national land commission ibobe na that nini na ile ni independent body maybe bena process chaira babati kwamba kuthingata lakini no president yaje barabara yakambira next week maybe yana intention chawa barabara era but how it's being done waje around to next week anuko me process ye compulsory acquisition emiondere tajira anto bakujuke murongo enyoke dara na good intentions zikari I think anto batiri tioke jokera anto uma anto bakutikira na bakama yana to kuthiri but every time lero kejana promises cha next week no anto batekwana mantu jara I think kirio kona anto be frustrated lero kona anto batekwenda kuthikira president ule akuga
yes tukani ndo kire mantu diongo ijewe ruterero boriru ina rombere kwithro agetiga kana kuoneka support school muno na areas ko ina school nyingi ja county ya Meru focus yewe irarekire school imwe
you know the ne that you as a country ndo kuona Kenya I think last week or is this week my principals jara proposal kuongera school fees na 43,000 we propose kuongera school fees na 43,000 in every child rawe Kenya ke those high schools but now president nwetaro abuleru have a promise I think that million anga what a lot of money kugayo ngaiba waka whatever with purpose also na whatever mbechira na promise ra waka na rure and you know utende goromba kwa develop na piecemeal na leto kuthida any policies the president must be the number one policy maker of our country bechira ukethora nugwita ukathithia au overall of education sector kada capitation ukama capitation ile gutumwa pa mwana nande yalitonda ibenekera to 16 lakini nande weta chukuru imwera wetoka nekana na mbecha impossible ondo idora ko kuchinja mantu ja gutwikeja ku benefit mtu onde nande weta wachinja kurebya ki next year kwina Mawanga House next year ora kwina nayo Meru County kwina we have all those national schools nyinge mono nyachuchi nyakaga gawas nkobu na ora kwa tuna St Mary's ile go fees similar conjunction nonto nyaba curriculum change zira cha curriculum bana otimba ku change una piecemeal weta ora nonto no le over promise as the president man you are the president for the whole country na it is not enough gwita aroba promise kire arambini na the wisdom yedato yareo ya gucancel nya this public arambe yareo nonto utumba kuthiuruka everywhere ukithitha arambe as the president.
Yeah.
Una ndiko tukarande kuraro ka change the main policies ya nguyore bati gwito. Nonto change that main policy ne ka affect mukenya wonde na rari. Na nyete ko bindu withora witite ino ya. Tu bindu nya withora withiuruka ande burone onde kenda akenya baigwa ugono gwita ngugi. Inyoka rinde uri office na nalo gatwika capitation ya kuongereka. Kwa twika mbeje change kwa infrastructures machukuru jetu na ambijere kwendeka uchukuri kuona maybe a crisis kana laboratory nambi. Everyone will know what you are doing na I appreciate that. Lakini ande kuita concentrate na one school, you know, now it defeats even the wisdom of what we are doing as a country.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ito mlokodurande tukiarire mantu jaja still in ya utongeria bwa county siasa chumbete kudura chigiukira na njira nene county ya Meru. Rwa ito mbete kudura tukiona proposal wake bwa state lodge na ya strip na golf course ya chama ito ni enjoyment. Na ndeki ureni koti mbete kana nirongekete onto pubo maita jagato. With different pubo kudura nke mekate. Te kutwika koti kana mtu mumbete kudura irongeka ikesis ithatu chumbete kudura chigiko kotini cha rongeka uthondekibwa state lodge ya strip na golf course iteka kwa immense forest na kikesi ithatu itire china mugoroto jumwe kana chiriariria chonde to stop kana to everything na ogorija wakili advocate no dilana mantu chachacha nkuba kudura nge koria ikoti ekamba kudura ikideal na cases ucho ithatu at the same time kana o case no tuchonde achingwanene o case ekamba kudura ikithikirwa differently.
Actually kira I think kinya ondere nankaneli nemo. Ondere nankaneli kesi ucho ithatu nemo. Ayonde conservatory onders akuga manzara jalenda ku implement mwitune na rora jakendelea na kikisira chonde chicho ithatu kirega tukire o kesi ni independent kivyao bere koti ya ejenejiri mwakiri yara ya kesi ile ngeja gweta kotini jauga ntunya batu manzara tukwenda nojo nyatu kesi yetu newe simira onders enyere there yonde mwe is enough. Lazima tuithira tu na onda ithatu cha kurungika mantu jare onda mwe was enough kireka tumire kuithira kwina onda ithatu ino ndo magamba jara ja faida ithatu na actually court ne ina intention of consolidate magamba jare ki the next I think mention irabe nayo igamba lele ga bakaja ga consolidate gutwike igamba lele kathikirwa riri igamba limu.
Okay.
So at the end of the day onda ere nyekethira ikisi mwa kiombite kuona ondas lazima chiri ithatu one wonder from the court nearly enough kumikamanzira gender
kwa the others kedra ikarumire mtomo kana kabake toba karende ba
wanda nande ya consolidatewa wanda bakathikirwa lakini nande bakathikirwa ikisimu.
Okay.
Nande mtu wanda
at the same time
na itanietiere ya mukenda nande court yomba kuthikira ujo aliugate unge aliugate ithikira mantu jojonde necho kethikira baraba nabo baikite court the county government NEMA National Land Commission na the Ministry of Lands kenda watweka ba kuthikirwa nabo then court yombe kwamua kethera onde yugete ngugire rungame ikenderea kana yukiria onde ere yuge ngugire kwendera na re endere. Yes.
Na ndito karirio mantu je na ndi uge bwako ni buri kubwekeni na proposal wake bwa state lodge of course na all that ugo lokwetaniria na bu kana nontundonete rwaro te koenda mantu je.
You know constitution yetu and article 10 I think 4 nala ila mantu ja public participation.
Okay.
Resources ila tuina chochonde in this country it's yetu to be utilized for the benefit yetu tuingwa tore akari. So any activity kwero akari ileka narora ke mitojore first of all utumba kuga any activity gidike ileka mitone. So many activities need ileka mitone. Kila kitega yerwa in due process. Kenda activity yumba kwedore citron jela yumba kwedore wako na lego proposition ground. Iba oboletwe ndajore ya KFS iba involve ito antu iboli tu raba kwenda na mbi kwa tu kama antu jajo ande jadi tu nonto anything nyamu itu sometimes ne jani gazetten na mito ne ja gazetten so there is nothing that is unrock in the nini go tu ka nothing can change nonto sheria leo ila yuga kada mde jo public na tajumba kwa private kada mde jo private na tajumba kwa public ya juto kwa ile manto jo compulsory acquisition so but now the biggest problem iran kuona ke all those proposed projects na kira gitu metereta kitumai kinge mono Meru I think ni ora chia tonyi dibro Meru kacha tonyi dibro Meru mukali atambite kurwa boya kana enough public participation yetediditu kutueka manjere ija kudi ija antu ba bengi mono bakwero imbie kwendera nonto I think kora yanya airstrip ni rangero nedira au nini state ronje proposed wako sometimes when mbona ja oni kuma ndiko ja tauni
okay
ndona president kumalenya beja kuyo kwitha kwina kini kidana mono akiandisi I think yen kira kidha kikiri dawa ayo atuika ge qualify kuthithwa to the standards ile kwena na kidha ge kidana mono president no ejara ule na komba kukarania na antu ontutaje de ukaramiro forever na watuika tutugutonya tutugutawaka state ronje mwitone yendo kira nkona make sense kwithira kina ra mwitone oni golf course onto golf course nara yakawakunde either etana ya mwito actually golf course kai eta yenya mite mingi andu ankuruki nyaka da gote andu mite nara golf eta kayumba kuongera mite wi mingi mono watuika mite kwando na nyaki kwando so golf is a environmental friendly ke kudidwa bura inye gedre muito ne wakwa but now I think the challenge no there public and I know public participation ne didetu kila ntova na rora kitoka na mbina bodwa na bereswa onto golf course ya jara ule aneje tana advantages nyingi mono onto una mangof na imbije golf ulaita lero bitete cha golf golf akwena ule ukamatera mondo irajwa jidarajo kamatete clubs ile chela golf etawakadi golf mostly tugecheza 4 to 5 hours leo dhiro kitakiengira kucheza either 18 or in the golf course ule ukamatirite mondo jora muthakola kana mwali ule in those 5 hours na ya wangiriemo so ukenda kuna golf course ala Meru na last weekend for example in racheza golf na rola na nyuki na iturali na golf fast like 150 even the 150 chiana na ngiriao so that is an opportunity okirikitwa ndakachetu nyeche na rora kithoka ile kwethira itina activities chewita ambigwa twika every day non to golf is played every day na for those few hours kibara bakomba bakethra bakiona direct employment golf ya jalo ile ka invite another ikethra ile a tourism center golfers batura badiorokite everywhere in the country tournaments baicheda Meru keda ina golf course bakeja antubara bakeja bakagura Marabia tu bila tu anda kada ni kwa chikeda impoka kada kabinch kada imbi bakagura kuma dokone chetu naja kuruki au moteri chetu jana jana jara jande kitanda ka chetu na alibetu jakoba kudra jakiona biashara nekenda yakiongereka so because te muito to kodhoki actually golfers are the best conservationists otumba ngofa kuga motejo gita because inyale rate that na tournaments in those clubs na these sponsors bala most of the thing eraba dile yabongo abamba kwanda mutembere kenda bomba kwidro na joga ekro lito leo this tree was planted by so and so for posterity so I think the biggest problem as a country politicize everything tukaraya from sensations tukaraya with emotions tukaraya tutena point of information imbio to kwalirio ondodo reto karande gurutuga imbie kuombeka imbie te kuombeka imbie ku make sense imbie te ku make sense then to come up na a conclusive a conclusion what to be done and requested it
and umora tujua kuno ku support golf course what about state road na airstrip
state road de kuga ya kwa ndisi okay tudora ga state road maybe the location ile kada ni kuleta issues because Citronji I think na airstrip chechi jetenya kupinga ngofu yo no ngofu ni ambirite kuma tene mono rero kwatwikira na Citronji na airstrip igwiko na rora mwitone ichi lete all these politics yokwigwe ikeja but airstrip ile kwa no I think ile kwa KFS.
Okay.
So it's owned by KFS. Mwito ya KFS. Iboba kugeba kwenda and landing me airstrip ingedhani era one tigekeda ni affect na mitene gotemo which should be very wrong.
Yeah.
Lakini me airstrip ne tumba kwa paliti ngonto kwena miti. Na airstrip tige ndoye kinene monono nto kinyala ala kwena airstrip. Nya no edro nyenya kiandikire ndage ya kadunga mau kana karani karage kiria. Because run strip airstrip te kwenda manto ya mainga bono. But ntiko me aniki but ko kire airstrip chetira tu na chenja na rora kagoma na rora ni mitombo gutwika inchi kwa priority kana gutwika na nya airport yetu isiuru runway anga erore te kongana na ndina tatu jete wa airstrip ngende mwitone
na ko ina chiti trikiri
na ko na yo ire but kwendra nya commercial viable alimbeto bamira na bangi bagomba kwendra bagwitira around otra ndaka chetu chuko kwera barabara ne chuko timira na yes I think that lack of prioritization na kwendra ituko te everything ya abundant na wotwika anto aba go force into nenya I think that is where we are failing.
Okay, tukitse focus na mantu ja siasa chiande koro ya Kenya. Tumbe kudura tukitegera what recent itretu ekithithika mono mantu ja abductions cases cha kudura kuri na abduction date 25 June thigiri kudura kuri maandamano kana ira tukumita commemoration ya kuririkana jenzi barabatere uturobokire maandamano ja finance bill 2024 and then ikombere kudura gwetinda gwentu kwe maririte boyege and at the end of the day kwerekana it was a peaceful one but later ikweriro kuri na activist bombere kudura bakigwa tubabdactirwe na bomba kudura bakinirwa na konanirwa mateso ja maingi ukari urije mutongeria kana musiasa ndenda wari andurira tune pia kwa wakili on the side of the human rights activist but it's good katiba ya Kenya iko democratic kwa every person kana everyone ina right ya kuji express but chara na activist baba mantu ja kumba jete tororo bobo na jokiria mantu reaction si nyingi kire antu baba inge uge bakuni boriko
the right to demonstrate, right to picket, right to petition the government is right nya ko demonstrate igento ke guarantee the constitution yetu na rira tukethora tukiumara against street na ale because oni mpumara ale monya ni street ne ko join my fellow youths they are going anything to be demonstrated itumare te mawakili jamii several times atugata tukadida this demonstration at our present the petitions the amount ya tete bwana ile injere mwe ya ku voice manjero kuna ya tete bwana iketo mi guarantee na the constitution rero kona thirikari igukira igwata antu mtura uti siraka matete uti sheria kuna kete na njera tu agipiketa kana ki demonstrator uti intobianto akudukia uti wamba bukuendelea then ni kuona the level of lack of respect to human rights ile thirikari yetu inacho because utiromba ku gang onto freedom of speech bando guaranteed ki constitution yetu utiro ene nyakela kintu kiran kuga wage tiko kugwiria ugo we nakanya ka kuga uge bwako ugachokia ugachokia ran kuga onto tuga freedom of speech ugo wali na ndalia mtu akamwa kedara nugo uge bweko bwe bugochinda bonge na every time rĩa tukomba kwitha tukiaraia na mbina tukira thirikari kebati kwithura ejuka ya criticism we bwega na ndene mono na pakethuri bakomba ku implement manjira ya kuendeka kwa implemented na ndolero gwata jabara ba gwatiro be krona rore tukona koti nene tere barekeria the following day na most of them barekeria na personal bonds na ote fine kana anything nonto it is their right, it is a democratic right to go the manzara badi there. So the government should always stop panic. Nambuga we panic on to ba maasi jara badi dire ki mwaka 2024. Na ito bera to live. We will not forget all those people who died not about the demonstration ila twathithagia, and we will keep commemorating them na tutienda marito jao jaura in the history of Kenya. Nonto 2024 change our country. Na muchinji ndegoro yetu ni achinjire kare na tikarochoka na nyuma kaire. Nonto ituambire we impeach parliament yetu, na if it were in developed countries parliament ile bati kulizaini yonde tukachoka kulinga kura kare tukakira tongere babega bara botuthikira. Nonto the biggest problem ila tu as a country hata real leaders wala bena their own selfish interest bati kwenda kuthikira imbio mtu akalibara babatumira naro na bunge baku ande watuika bo bale ali mono manto jao pa support be in bed na executive bati gotuthikira ande ikyo na ndio kwa nito impeach that parliament ate tereta na ndio ko impeach kaire the second time to 2027 te balingera kule kubera bana.
Why is government using these threats, abductions, to silence young people and activists? Ko silent ina recently kurari na imenero ya kwero andikinta tibo borote twithirikari na gwikirwo gwa niki gutumira njire we know iomba gwethoro kiuga our country is a democratic country, we have all the right to express. Niki gutumira njira cha abductions and threat ko silence people.
I think thirikari yetu kai in panic mood.
Okay.
Because when you're in panic mood, you don't about to threats na that intimidation na mbina ku intimidate journalists na ku intimidate yantu na abduction ilaba kudithia. It's a way of kugeria ku silence yantu. And then ndikomea uande wa system no tu kuona the more bakugeria ku silence, the more it becoming noisy.
Yeah.
So what is the better evil? Yeah, ubati ko we man tujali ro kudithia wategero kolia, which is I think iko wale na linda wetu wa Kibaki in our country. Olo ruma mono na agero mantu ya mengi mono na atachoka irianto. Today we remember him as the greatest president that we ever had. Na ata umara ate ta mono anga ore ali na muchoke iria na thithirie. He concentrated na ngogere ita. Na so as leaders mtu nobati concentrate na ngogere adulero no tuno kaligetene. Mantu ja abduction, mantu ja silence antu, mantu ja use of force na kwa tanto. Jatituma anto batika kudithia mantu ja bakudithia actually gekaendelea kumemake it was. Yes.
Tukerire mantu nejegine na opposition side kurina so called disunity utikwataniro. Gikundi kiki opposition ikiretete atongere baba ingi with baraba formate parties nyingi amwe kurwa ko bring down President William Ruto, but wategera kiri gikundi kiki kurina so of gutingwataniro na atongeria baba kuri no gutikwataniro kuigikanwa Jubilee kando, DCP kando, ngwataniro irato antu bakwenda kuona iri amwe kuri na andu aikone ko lakini gite kumagothoro ikichipuka uge bwako kana take up kuniri kwa
no kienda kwithira kwina unity antu kwina gintu kira kibaleta amo na gintu kira kialetera leaders ba amwe bonde oga one time their policy ile baleta amo one time. Now one time is not a policy actually, and that's why wambelete kuona disunity ikiambira kumera kibo nonto ba their own self interest na ndi chao chambelete kumera kiriari tukambira kuona antu ba nyadere bauga one time benda muno interest chao benda kwithira ichube kitara mbere lakini ande kulingana na ni siasa na imantu ne jao bakulinga siasa na mbina siasa is a game of interest. Ande bakinyarora kwa tuka interest maybe ira mtu ena chite kumba kwithira ikiomba kwa achiveka ido kuona nande gukyumbira disunity. For a country kana ndi guru kwithira united no manka kwithira kwina one agenda ile kubumbulingamo. Now that agenda cannot be one time. Ikimbira antu siasa ira tukulinga dai one time na two time is neither here nor there. Antu woga ndeta sodiment na ora ndeta campaign ira antu kibera one time. Onini ngoja mukale muliongi ntekobera mukale muliongi akaliojo mukale muliongi stands for this mukale muliongi arunga maira interview. Antu bara bedore bakojanji ogwe as a person. Dite tanarora na one time na nontu nandi igentu kira kina wave ira kithiurukite watu kana ndi antu bakunjwa ni sensation. after 2027 inya bakandura nkibera one term bakambira ombere inya ni one term inya bara bakuga two term nabo tuduga unyabo kyuga two term twireni mbio thirikari ithithiti kenda gutuika bukwenda kuongerwa no tukatiba yetu yogira miaka 5 miaka wingi 5 kuongerwa ri manjora ugite ukathiria Kenya bagenda bakuthura ri ijanga no thithitie na mbina bikenda na gutuika kwina mandate yo so inyethane gwetu united opposition igete kigauka muno nontu at the end of the day utumba kwithirwa uri united behind something that is not an ideology, behind that something is not unifying you, otukuninda that sensation because sensation yete yakadira onto sensation na siasa yetu Kenya mono yamanyere otumera sensation ndio kwa na president Ruto na very hard time onto nyawe jana na sensation in bottom up economic model poor versus rich what manturaja kugweria nto manao no kalio it is becoming very difficult wewe ngo kuthithia manjera ugira kathithia manjera jongwa jara criticize ijo wewe ngo kuthithia atura gutwira mantu ja kuromba marandu atura tutiga you cannot continue borrowing arombe nyana future yetu nonto fuel levy future yetu nonto leo rombe tedi de securitization monkambe jira che fuel levy watu no security ya chomarando bechira to save chetu kiene safe na mbu watu ikano tumira kuromba chomarando nato turombe tomarando nyana na future yetu
gikoriria mantu ja opposition side most Kenyans thaici turi rutere rwa opposition would speak as all Kenyans, not all but most bari focus kiri mantu ja rutere rwa opposition and goithira bari na disunity you ni go create tension rutere rwa Kenya nonto baba ibo bagutumirwa be tool ya kubatetera kukikisha bako tenka bakweberia thirikari iku na nduma kuthiro kumenya ugu bakuthiro kiarire ontu bubwatia kuma kuthiro kita uge bwaku in between these parties baba kwenda kuthiro bakechi bake separate ntichimbi in between them ire kuma kuthiro ikireta that disunity na disorganized na kurega kuiganio
I think mbere nchoke kyura kyotiambuge Kenya ni kinyete level ingi ara tutikwenda kwenda kwariria siasa marito jara twagiru kuma tene nonto utumba mbera Kenya we have shortage of leaders kutuika andibara twarerire kuma tene tibakaronzo angabao no botu kwariria thai bari alternative Ruto I don't think Karonzo no is alternative Ruto because I think Karonzo are deputy president kumande lower primary vice president and how is he an alternative and he has been in this system for all this time. Hakwenda kumbira there are no other leaders barabomba kweja baikiande guretu to the next level. Bategere nya the opposition leaders babongo patatu kuga Gachagua who is very vocal. And no the leading opposition leader that in Kenya and he is very actively criticizing the government. Nyawe na weakness is chawe.
Actually nyenderanete ntumba kuthira nkiuga mutongire fulani ka video katambite gakuga Gachagua tumikari projects ya thirikari ya Ruto.
No, I don't think so. But also no Gachagua manzara kuthithia jonda jama lemori ikaraja akuthithia out of bitterness. No tunaere impeached. So nande ukwana everyone is pulling from their own side. Na Matiang'i when I think is the newcomer to the kundi ke na so nande bakwana tena experience enough maybe ya kwa president wategala ba Eugene they have been in this system for a very long time tutimba ukara tukiara ila manto ja united opposition every time they don't go leaders ya ba Sifuna this linda mwananchi balete ekudhide bure let them stand firm enough and clear about provide an alternative that a country umba kudingata nonto tutikara tukiara ilia ntubara bagalera ki leadership ya ina tutuika together to expect and different results uti results tukona a different nonto madness is doing the same thing the same way and expecting different results utegerete keenly enough. The biggest problem ira twithira twinio na nga kwa example ina ya siasa cha Meru ikuthithia tumita protest vote. Protest vote niria ukuringa nontu nukumena mutongeri ore uri ku tu nontu nukuthura utire iwe karoita ngugi na nyatha hii tweto tuga twiringa protest votes agini turuto no turete nya muntu wasi nkurukie ruto.
That's true.
Nontu tubati kwamba kuchungwa na mutongeri imbio yo ngwa kwenda.
Yeah.
Nontu you know that thing has happened in Meru nikio kona tu in chaotic circumstances ira tu nacho. Na nyamere yambirire kuma land evolution ya jere munya bejani ya Kiraito. Munya support Kiraito the first time.
Yeah.
Tumena Kiraito merere ambira go post munya. Aita munya gitende. Kiraito no eja auto anto jate mbuga in 2020 yare 2022. Anto jate Kiraito ba vote out. Te kawera ba vote in. Kiraito ba vote out. But you care which is the alternative. The alternative ira no ejire watu ya very disappointing. Watu excellence kawera mongaza kweja edera na mathina ja maingi muno jamwe ja gukirietero na jangi ja wewe ngwa gukiriete watu ka kwenda gwitaniria na tongeria bangi ngugi kwenda gwitaniria na MCAs ngugi atikwenda anjogi yakirethia ande atongeria bara bangi nabo bambira kumura then impeachment na ambiwa wala turi aja to aturi kaire no kwana nyemeru bandu ne rambirie kukokana kaire even with the current governor atu ina no to but these mistakes ira tu thitha ya chako onto atu thiri mutongera tu thura tukethiri mutongera tu ringira uma we should be very keen at what together to very alert mutongera tu kuthura ri na whether MP MCA kanambi took emotions aside tuduje mutongeri ore mutongeri wina gani na tumenye kile mutongere na mathugano ya wikia ndiguru kana whatever kitikira kuromba mbere kana mutongere wijite tuna sensations na mbwembwe na mbina atikona ni very clear imbi ya kwenda for whatever city ya kwenda going forward akini utukombo chinja ndiguru yetu but ila tukaendelea kulinga siasa cha sensation tuyodungula tugite atukina ma tukatura guteta ura tuteta thai nothing will change na ndiguru tichinja wana guteta na batu kwalia na TV na kamemene na mbi ure change wa ria tuyota ukiringa kureku ukaringira mtoro kumenya mtoro wiji ejete na mantu jakali na mtoro kuona mindset yawe kaliata na mtoro kuona kedha na ejete kuleta any change in the country otherwise tukaendelea kuthura ndiguru yetu ikina maana ndiguru yetu change.
Report ya Infotrack ni rombete kuthura ikiririso ya performance chia MPs, women rep across the nation na kinyaja county Meru ndronete by the rito baikite MPs baraba ku perform boy kana baraba teni baraba bekike top adri baraba performete boy ka kire uritingo ke bwao ukeba kuiboriko
you know ndore I think John Paul ora tongereti
then I think Atiru Ibrahim na Julius Taitumia.
Yes. So, you know now, kidra mdura na itete ngugi na nokona na itete ngugi. Anto bakauga na itete ngugi. Na I think atongere baraba kwiri itete ngugi jaba mimbi ogeta na rora kwao kona some tangible ja John Paul mbuga na letere ki MTC na rora kwao. Yera yombete kwithura ke change that community in a very big way. Na I think we both ongerera sometimes ukwithura kimwera pongezi sana no ntobwa whatever he has done na kwithura nombete kwithura ale as young as he is nombete kwithura agitongeria bo bangi bonde no I think he is the youngest MP oratu ino and I think nyante kwa nakwaliria muno ikaraja mdata siasa ki yombati I think is a way to go na igentu kibati kuonia nyaka libetu ba Meru County baba turaba ingete vijana kweja utongerie ne wategera John Paul ejere ge power ejere ageta wakiburana in his first term he did very well in the second term na ukugana enderete witango gibwega so sometimes age is not a hindrance no tongeria. And I think the youngest MP Ratu Meru were the best performing.
Yeah.
That should tell you now we need a paradigm change in our country as a whole. And to nyawa tegera linda as betu bara tuina bobara bo perform nationally nyabo yakaja basifuna babo wino na mbibara bena mwananchi na bara botegera mwananchi. Na ntoba bedi. Tikumenya I think we need now nikinye level ila we need to change as a country. Na mantuja kuira we are leaders of tomorrow jete kando. Tomorrow ni lakinyire. Kenda tumba kwedura because we as the young people ibatu tukomenya by God's grace maybe together atorea maybe 30 years from now. So na mantuja kedro kidhi adai ukedro ukiomba kudo biuri. Sometimes kilo kiwa nkigenya mantuja kulekana na nyato ngere baba nationally by United Opposition baraba the the government for a very long time.
Yeah.
You know, to what is it that you did in the 1990s? Yeah, when we were growing up, but to nyama chukuna primary na area. Irokwenda to the other back in 2025 when we had all the machineries and everything for the government. The government ni kinyete kudidi ya full paradigm shift. Utongeria kuitekira ntaba bedi. Baraba kuomba kwedra be plan the grow yao nya 50 100 years going forward.
Yeah.
Otherwise together to in a short term gains ile tukona development ile kudidwa mtudo kudida development alileta ukaigwa alenda atikwenda nyawa ka factory no ndoga karamuno alenda waka thoko na ti thoko muno akwenda alenda waka thoko kenda ona kira kuona kitha isi infrastructural development na komenya no alternative aga kandam ndambu yakayuke more than 5 years na ationa kikibaki wera kwenda kuona kimantu jara anande watwika priorities chiawe iwe wengwa na ndio wananya project ile kudidwa chididwa ile the futuristic project ila china immediate cash ila mtu akuona echo kairwa whatever kimantu jara kudidwa na so to avoid all this na mantu yange ya mengi tubati kurana we fuma kimantu rato amenyeria dai tudiringa siasera tumenete kuringa kumale atu alingire mtu akije atwira ngakaba kila barabara nganga kambi dai constitution yetu ni chinjiri yogira mwananchi nuombere na mwananchi arombere kugate ubwo mwananchi iyo ubwo batiko prioritize project ikuro kwenda for example nikeja kudura na rura Southiment no, it is very painful. The mwimbi kawa mutongeria kyuganga nkadidi ojo nkadidi ule nkadidi. Okwe we mutongeria otiti tara ora kenda ndro mono no promise anto ro kadidi mono. Okwe biti tara ora welinda wao kenda bakwira kiki kito kwenda then uga prioritize kintu kiranto bakuba kwenda. Kiki kito kwenda then uga prioritize. Nonto uwe ubatongere tekenda gukiria maisha jao kumandiguru ya gukira every time. But now rira tugakarana politics cha mutongera kujara kyuga akathithia no to kuthithia no tunyambi sekale mbechiro tumera tichiawe no chetu batu turana inchi so batu batukalande bro tuka prioritize mantu chetu na kwa mutongeria abaninchi bakwira ukamana ta kintu kiro ka kithithia in better way ure komba kwithira gukiria antu baba ingi kenda mugongo jwaku kana community yakumba kwithira ne gukira.
Okay. Nuntu bamaga tukirikangiria ri nkwenda omba kuthura kiariria generally matu jacho mbete kuthura jakiukira mono bishine ya mutuma twithinge thirikari-ini kurari na wagagio that disunity na ndo ile chumbete kuthura ikionekano chitibibi bia county na ukiarairia mantu ja siasa utongere bori bona atia 2027 urona county ya Meru kethura ikinyite kiwango kiriko siaseni.
I think sometimes I sympathize na Governor Mutuma Nonto. Where he found himself maybe to irrigate kwithirwari.
Yeah.
Nonto eka learning mate. And now lira what you got the former governor Kawira was impeached.
Yeah.
Achidre gitina. Not now chidra gitina ke ederwe ikyo. Aidrona diorokiri nande nanto baba ingimono. Leaders baba ingi mono baraba muthiurukire ara ore kuma bafoma ngabana kiraitu bawo everyone na kwenda stake in his government ande gwatuika mutuma atirona that independence ya wewe ngwa kwithora na kumba ku govern kana ku utongeria ati na all these baggages na ndi packages cho kwa na chithire ke mupura down nonto etira uria we na interest ande no kugere ko manage interest chaba chantu ba bonde at the end of the day now watu kana ndio we become overshadowed nigyo kona na ndena very hard time rotote me ano uria eko bangaira we banga manto ya kuteme ano kumaria sidi cha kuchedrikali we banga program chaku okona kwena lot of opposition onto maybe parable in the abo have a different vision from the vision that you have maybe utali na inyana ndio ambirite ku develop the vision onto maybe you are not aware kedra bombo kedra wenga bana at that time but I think siasa mbele tu kinya 2027 ikedra kumera create tumenye wala mpomba ku advise governor mutumani tumbi his own man nali in the no, because now you are the governor of Meru County sometimes God has put you there this time and maybe if there are opportunity kiwe uchiona ni how you can lead the more you listen to people the more you do work and work nyanto sometimes you gather in a lot of ramifications kiwe so as a leader who is there now lead the people of Meru without maruru jama ingi maide mwengu wana ageta kingenta nini tekana maruru no tunandi yugo mutongere ne yugo ole tongeri antuba Meru na antuba Meru bako janji kulingana na tongeri bako the more kedro kienda ukenya antuba bengi the more kedro ugeta na antuba kedro bakiona as if you are not aligned yes
maybe namboba kodro ankiuria tu casually since you are a politician and there are so many things that kuba kodro kididikaja ndegoro ya Kenya na Kinyaja county ya Meru. Now let's speak at large ndegoro ya Kenya. Linda ugombe kodro kirita ugebwa ku maybe it's a issue mete ya didi ya riretwe a past a few months ago kuikia ndegoro ya Kenya Singapore and ntuba baingi ba meneria kariba Kenya baregana na mantu boko ne ntubotebwa oppositions baregana na ntubotebwa. But in recent meeting, kuba kodorwa iki connect na in a way, President William Ruto na held meetings na so many from outside the country na keta ko karakire kigomano kia summit na ndegoro ya France akedro ina meetings na ndegoro cha ome na kire ugebwa we ari uga arenda gukiria ndegoro ya Kenya kina mugongo cha Afrika kimantu cha trend kenda kuoleta onjorithia ndegoro ya Kenya. Is that a step ya kuonania ambirite kukinitheke rwaria rwero kwethia ndegoro ya Kenya Singapore? No, I want you to answer it.
Thank you on the work you do.
Yeah.
I think that is a very good question and a very heavy question also. Ochokia. Nonto bambere kwere President Ruto kwetha no chemana na tongere ba France.
Yeah.
Kwetha na ikite Kenya Singapore. I think ikite Kenya ndi backward.
How?
You know, kutumba I think itawa na kimonimoni itawa Stockholm syndrome.
Okay.
Stockholm syndrome idero ile ya ukindinapi ngoyo mtu aongea ukindinap but mtu ora ukindinapite ugambire go fall in love kana go sympathize no watu ekanuko nyanuko muendera how now can we as a independent country tumba goda toke foreign band na wa colonizers na and baraba tukete patina interest ya in African countries at how to get to progress it France kenda umba kwenda nejete East Africa kaingi West Africa Burkina Faso iba bengere all the Sahel country bengere France kumano nto boy France itwere ku mine minerals na ambikuma na Burkina Faso na all the Sahel country pakika ya kwa huko weta utonge France monkalera traole jere abenga you can imagine as recent as 4 years ago Burkina Faso had a central bank yayo in France, in Paris.
Yeah.
Mangati traole ya achokia central bank na adide manjera ko dide na roda Burkina Faso. Na watu ka minerals na all the mining companies na mbikwa nationalized. How can you tell me that Rinda ulotenda Burkina Faso with their central bank? Pedro habena minerals bao. Then akuja in Kenya na akuja East Africa. And then tuga tukete Singapore. It's impossible. Mimi kiajete kuona another colonization nini. Konete we are easy prey. Konete mimi president wetu konete kulingana marandu jale na jona ambina na kwenda marandu jangi na kwenda kuongera marandu. Iketo myo kona ki ekarana bala tati kumya batibui. Na ije non tuniga engwa gitata every time. Akiuga I think the other ni kono ndrona akiuga uleta kuromba mbecha na alokero anga change ya sexuality laws anga change ya nini because antobara balenda tere nyama antojara ja ngezi mle ugero weekend no makoido na sheria yu kenda kutuke bo kunenkara mbecha then how can we be going to Singapore in that direction na tukale kama tuja meta Singapore I don't think Kuan or the father of Singapore Singapore and Kenya were at par in 1964. I
think midpoint ya waire ikogeria ku connect thiguru ici kenda ituika iri kigiko kia thiguru ya Kenya to elevate.
No, it can't. It will go down. It will go down onto na IMF na World Bank na mbi batigete kwa Kenya mbecha onto lendi twakinyira gisiringi yetu. So president kwethera agita na yana thiguru ingi ile chikona chiena carrots bakona kana mbecha ile janga cha environment chambi ino ndana ndiri resources ingia gujwana ara nonto olende itoka biko turombete marando monka ya tokinya na no monka mtumba ogwaga nyakethera mundo kuna ketha atio gutethia sometimes ndio kuona agitania abo but tutimbo kinya Singapore na that direction no monka tuna what we call fiscal discipline na utende kuromba ku develop na kuromba iro kuona ja ndiguru tukwarira Burkina Faso Traore akojukia gitikira indukira dithire kia mbere alira marandu jonte right now Burkina Faso itene randu re muntu whatever they collect from their minerals they are using to develop their country waka machukuru waka mafactory waka barabara kudithia ndoji kudithia whatever right now Burkina Faso is the first country maybe in the Saharan area kuitha ibago export tomato sauce Antalimi betere bana ikora tractor ja kulima bale mamyunda yao baithira those course batuka kwena processing plant ira bakuthithia daiba go export the tomato products the tomato nyanya na ndigi ntukithithia tukira tomato sauce na all the other tomato paste na ichuba go export badithia tisiriko kana ndiguro yao na bambira go export and that is within a span of less than 4 years you know kwa na mutongeria when dedicated no kumenya direction elandi gure yoba tugweta you can change your country within a span of very little time
with what is ikonayo
with what you have but now when that could live beyond your means you can even use that in practical lives cha mtu wengwa lero kedra ogwe muchara joro kuona for example jaja wandikiaja ulienda gukara lifestyle ile nene mono nkurukie income ikwira wenyo then tukambirio kuona witite no kithira na ono depression nyamba ile mtu as a person na watu kama mturia etite kina even as a country is the same utumba kwethira you are living beyond your means na gutuika no expect you work and la guta developer na it cannot happen like that now ni watu as a country Kenya we are living beyond our means na tuko na twina ways ila tubati kwethira president yetu akirira ya cha kwithira na kuzuia tuendelea kulive what's in the mean onto daya batu kwithira na role voi na tu export I'll know ile ro na waka factory na ndire kanda kachetu chuma ira nandi yora tuone akwenda tomato sauce udo kwenda chuma chuma inde tutunangana raw materials chetu tuja kwambire kunenkero nini ko depend kibo chumira chieja ko tukana nditu gora we have raw materials tubanenkera bo batudidiri batuenderia awi children of Alessa God
anyways amorethia Meru TV mberente tuturamba kuthora tukebera mitambone urina ndio kuromba gitikia South Menti mubunge nkwenda omba kuthorokiariria mukari wa South Menti in just 2 minutes ombe kuthoro kimwa final message ko terebera.
Thank you. Thank you Kadhure na thank you Meru TV kairi. Ntumo mpaka nyaka ala tuja kwalia matungano yetu. Atumba gucokaniria kumenya ndeguru yetu itite na direction yetu ikariate. Mbere mukalia Saudimenti oni rieto mbeto wakiri mukali Muriungi. Na 2027 kiatho andende bene kiromba giti kia mubunge wa Saudimenti. Kira gitumite mbethora kienda kuromba giti kia mubunge wa Saudimenti. Wambere Bruno ante Saudimenti ni urete kia mapu ya Kenya. Ni na mitende gurumo no nto mubunge wetu rato athurira na rore. Tutuko muona parliament tigana ndendo nere ejete ground akithiuruka akinenkera karibetu ba Saudimenti magana jairi. Na jati manto jara tukwenda batu turante ba Saudimenti. Antu ba Saudimenti bakwenda majani jawaja tetero na ala parliament. Antu ba Saudimenti bakwenda kawa tetero na ala parliament. Antu ba Saudimenti bakwenda elia leo lidro ali karitwe. Antu ba Saudimenti Erwa Saudimenti kuma mitungo wititera pamalamo ka moroga bakwenda roji na nyabaruguru wino roji rotire. So Saudimenti kulingana na oria mandera tukone kirito kuja hii yatukwitha ya kim benefit mwananchi wa kawaida directly. Kini oni bwere demokali Muriungi deja na oria project ile bukethra bukenda to prioritize tutukadithia chichi mbere. Ontoni betikitie wi mutongeria utitongairia na mathugano yaku aki utikaira ule mwananchi okwira wathikira ora mukali Saudimenti okwira watuka manto jai jo witete ku implement naka na wangi bwere ngogera nkoromba weta na role mbunge ngogera ndomerete onde wakiri na role mbunge sheria thithaua so ntikira kwalira mukali Saudimenti ntikira kuga kira wantu makyo na nambita kuga nonto kinya thai ntura kotini kuga manjara antu bantu mite ajo so nyandeta na role mbunge mukali Saudimenti akethro akarito bwega na kethro nkimutetaira na ora komba na to home of my abilities. Na wakinya mwaka mbere kinya mwaka ni nyaja 2027 kwena mantu tukuthiria twina ofisi yetu ala nyume Nkobo Boys. Pero wathira kiriga Nkobo Boys witete barabara ere moju gota mukali Muriungi Foundation. Twina mantu ya mengi muno jara tukuthiria akaliba Saudimenti yao. Cha affidavit tukonekana rotheri magamba ya succession is subsidized. Twina program cha YouTube betu bara bakwenda kuthoma short courses mean photography, videography. Na mantuja mengi jangi bezi yao kirali mbetu twina application yekithimo chiaku Presto iwezo kirimo afya tonya au umbe interact na application yao na mantira twinajo. So mukali Muriungi ajete as a doer mto witanguge anyambere mbethora ndigitine kira no ngwitanguge so ngo bakikishira bamba kura chenu leta na role mbunge ojolie tora kwali gweto mukaria nkabukari.
Thank you so much murediri wa Meru TV na katho chamanya ntuba kona kanyaga kugwatanira na bauti kumaria ntombaniririe na bwo mubango ne jojo turingeme na ono tukwikira gatantakire mubango jojo na ngakoromboke bya mitambo no tukethroke gwatanira na onikairi chadonga mabwega tha mugwanje ngikuretera nteto uria gukethrwa kuri nitwara kone Kadhure wa Mbrugo na ngakoromboke bya mitambo no geta kuraja.